Okay, so this is just a quick video to show you the current work in progress. So this is the open sprinkler modified to control the multi-position selector valve and linear actuators and then pumps through these solid-state relays. So the selector valve is powered by its own 24-volt DC power supply. And it has this ribbon cable which I modified so that this can be directly hooked up to the open sprinkler through this connector. And there's also expansion board here which can fit another selector valve. So these two linear actuators are controlled by the relay board here, and the open sprinkler is powered by 12-volt DC power supply, and the same power supply is used to power these two linear actuators. And then these two solid-state relays are used to control pumps and other types of power line devices. So when open sprinkler is online, and this is the Wi-Fi adapter, it has an IP address. So if you type in the IP address in a browser, like for example my cell phone, and this is the very simple interface that you're gonna see. This is doesn't have any timing information yet. It's just shows you the basic control. So here, for example, if I say, let's let's extend the first linear actuator. So then I'm just going to select extend and then say submit. So as you can see, the first linear actuator is moving. I probably should extend, I need to set the timing longer because 4 seconds currently is not enough to fully extend the linear actuator, but we can see this one as well. So let's come back and see actuator 2 extend. So it's this one here. Okay, so that's the linear actuators, and then if you want to see the pump, so we can turn on, let's see, both pumps, and if you do submit, you can see that these two solid-state relays are activated. There are LEDs on them. And then finally, let's come to the selector valve. And so first of all, let me... Oh, by the way, the LCD screen also has these icons which indicate, the current status. The first two are the two pumps, the solid-state relays. The second two, these two are the linear actuators. So if I, let's say, retract the first one back, you can see that the web interface, the LCD screen also shows the icon correspondingly. Okay, so next let's hook up the selector valve with open sprinkler. Okay, so now it's hooked up. So I can't see because there's no explicit motion on the valve, but this this LCD screen here shows the current position of the valve. So from this I can tell basically where it is. And so in my web interface, currently I have a drop-down box, so I can say, selector valve 1, go to position number 5, and then submit. So you can see that the position changes to 5. There's not really a very good way to show this, but you can hear from the sound that sort of tells you that's moving. So let's see, if I go back to position number 3, and so I'm trying to get them both in the same screen so you can see this. And if I click on submit, so you can see that that changes to position number 3. So that's the quick demo, and I don't have a second valve, so the selector 2 is currently not connected, but I've tested using this single valve, and that port definitely works. So the next step is to add the timing information, and that's it. Thanks.